Welcome to the Honeycomb Training Academy. Brought to you by PRP Solutions. This video will guide you through the process of onboarding an employee on a basic workflow. Another video is available for a more complex workflow. Select the People tile from the home screen. Select Plus Person. Select the relevant payroll from the drop-down menu. For the purposes of this video, we will onboard an hourly paid employee. Choose the base org unit from the drop-down. The majority of companies will require you to choose the cost center as a base org unit. But for this video, we will choose the division. Select the employee's engagement date. This date is the start of the employee's contract. Select Next. Select the relevant onboarding workflow. You may have more than one to choose from, and these will differ depending on the company and the type of employee you are onboarding. Choose the identification method. If the employee is South African, select RSA ID number. If the employee is a foreign national, select passport and then follow the prompted steps. Select Next. Capture the employee's ID number. Ensure that you use a valid 13-digit ID number with no spaces. Invalid ID numbers will not be accepted by the system, as South African ID numbers are validated through an algorithm. Select Save. Capture the employees' names and then select Save. You are now in the employee's onboarding workflow. The steps on the left will be shown as follows. Green shows completed steps. Blue, the step is optional. Red shows mandatory steps and must be completed. It is possible to delete an employee during onboarding if the user has the appropriate access, by selecting the onboarding summary step, and then delete. Some steps might require you to select Edit first, and then Save once completed. If a division was selected in your initial onboarding selection, you may be prompted to select a cost center in the status step, otherwise the step will fail. Ensure you capture a 10-digit mobile number, with no spaces in the contact detail step. If a step requires you to add a document, select the More button, and then plus New. Click on the Select File icon and select the document from the directory where it is saved. Select Save. Once you have completed all of the steps, select Onboarding Summary and select Complete Onboarding. Users with specific access can activate an employee. You will now be taken to the Employee's People toolbox, where an assignment can be created. This is covered in the Creating an Assignment training video. If you are unable to complete the onboarding of an employee in one session, you can come back at another time to complete it. To do this, select the People tile from the home page. Search for the employee, based on any of the selection criteria, but change the onboarding option to Yes, and then search. Select the employee, and you will be taken back to the employee's onboarding workflow. Thank you for watching this Honeycomb Academy training video, brought to you by PRP Solutions.